kids, let's learn about if loop in Python. Before we learn about if loop, let's import random library and guess a number using random int between 1 and 11. If loop is a cool way in Python to say if this happens, then do this, else do that. You can do a lot of cool things using if loop. For example, you want to output 1 if variable number is less than 5 or else you lose. Using if loop, you can write if number is less than 5, print 1, else print lost. Isn't that super cool? Let's import the library random. Let's create a variable called number equal random.randint between 1 and 11. Let's use if loop to check the number. If number is less than 5, print 1 or else lost. Print lost. Oh, I see 1, lost, 1, lost. Now let's print the number in the output. I saw 1, 2, 1, lost 10, lost 8, lost 7. If loop is so